Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because we are finally diving into the Cosmic Brushes release, the Angelic Palette. I purchased it, I received it, and then the color story is gorgeous. However, the weather did not reflect the springtime vibes that I get from this. So I've just been waiting for the day that it starts to warm up. It's nice and sunny, which is today, one of those days. It's 55 degrees here, but the sun is out and it's gorgeous and I'm excited to play around outside today. But we're gonna dive in, we're gonna do swatches, we're gonna discuss, and then we're gonna get this beautiful springtime eye look. Now you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you wanna see how I got this look and what the palette looks like, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I need to finally play around with the Cosmic Brushes Angelic Palette. This has kind of a lighter, more pastel color story. Really beautiful. However, the weather here has been up and down. Some days it feels like it wants to be spring, and then some days it's just cold again. And on those days when it's a little bit gray, I'm not feeling bubbly enough to play around with my spring colors. But today it's supposed to be in the 60s, 55. It's 50 right now. It's supposed to get a little bit warmer. I'm gonna meet up with Jamie in a little bit. So I figured I would play around with this. We're gonna swatch it. I'm gonna play and see what, especially these shimmers, like beautiful. I did put on like my mauve-y purple shirt, but I don't know if I wanna play with the mauve-y tones that are in here. Like you've got two purples. It just looks like you have a cohesive color story with the lines, but that doesn't mean you have to play with just those shades. So let me go ahead and swatch them, see what I think, and then we will figure out a way forward. This color story is absolutely stunning. Very beautiful. The light shades definitely inspire me for spring. I do like that the lower row has deeper shades. So if you want it to be less pastel and a little bit more moody, you have that ability. Now looking at the shimmers, very gorgeous shades. I really like the shade Angelic in Halo. Halo's kind of like that peachy pink, but it's also in that row with the peach and the brown. And I'm gravitating towards that, but I also like Angelic, which is a little bit of a bluish silver tone. And I think that would be gorgeous along with the shades that it's with, which are the mauve tones. So you've got Divine, which is kind of a purple, and then Cherub, which is a little bit more pinky, vice purple. Very interesting, very gorgeous. I'm intrigued. I kind of want to play with one row and see what that color story looks like. And it's like, okay, do I play with what I would consider more neutral tones, or do I play with the purpley tones? I mean, it would match my shirt. But I want to know your thoughts. Did you pick this palette up? I know I've had it purchased and received it probably about a month ago, but the weather here has just been so drab and gross that I wasn't feeling it. But I like the color story. I am gravitating towards the purple, the shade Divine. Let me go and prime my eyes, clean off the swatches, and then we will dive in. Okay, looking at the color story, I think I'm gonna play around with the purples. I'm gonna start out with the shade Divine. I'm gonna pick that up on my fluffy crease brush to put in the crease in the outer V. It's very pale, but I think it's gonna be a great crease color to go with the shade Cherub. It got very pale. I'm not mad at it, but let's see if I can build it up a little bit. Okay, now into the shade Cherub. Gonna start out with it on my fluffy crease brush, and then I'm going to move to my large compacted smudge brush to deepen it up. I'm just gonna kind of pack it on first. Blended together has a really pretty hue. All right, gonna switch to my compacted smudge brush because we're gonna deepen this up right here. I'm also intrigued to see what Angelic looks like when it plays off the purple. Very pretty. I am gonna put more of the shade Divine on the outer edge after we're done, but that built up really quickly. May have made a mess right here. It's fine. And then into Angelic. I'm just gonna pick that up on my ring finger. Very beautiful. Ooh, that plays off it so well. There's some gorgeous pink tones of glitter in here. Interesting. All right, I'm gonna use my silicone spatula to finesse that. Just right here in the inner corner. Okay, I'm intrigued to see, like, once I build this up after I do my face products, what it's gonna look like. Very pretty. I'm gonna go do all that and I will be right back. Okay, you guys. We now need to finish off the eyes. Now that the base products are done, well, mostly done. I like how my eyes are looking right now. Very spring. And it plays so well with my shirt, but I'm kind of like, okay, do I need to change my shirt before I go out? I'm not usually the type to like matchy my eyes to my clothes. I usually try and find something that complements it, but we'll cross that bridge when I have to leave. All right, looking at the eyes, I'm thinking I don't need the purple shade that was right through here to go underneath. I might just stick with the mauve tone. So going into Cherub, I'm gonna pick it up on my little tiny compacted smudge brush. I'm gonna drag it the entire length underneath the eye. Just trying to pack it on a little bit so that there's more color payoff towards the outer V. I do like that. I really like those colors. Or that color. All right, switching to my larger compacted smudge brush. Just right here in the outer corner. Packing it on and then blending it and then taking it under. I am gonna go back into Divine. This one I'm gonna pick up on my fluffy crease brush and we're just gonna go on the outer edge. All right, I think for this, we're gonna keep it pretty simple. I'm gonna do my waterline, mascara, brows, lips, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, you guys, I'm back and this is the final look. Really like how my eyes turned out, and I kept the lip neutral just to bring it all together. Everything's pretty light as far as my makeup's concerned, but I really like this purple shade and how it's playing on the eyes. I didn't do a winged liner. I've been mostly doing mascara just so that I can show off my eyeshadow, and I really like how it's been looking lately. This color story is beautiful. I think it's just in time for spring. Like I said, it's the Angelic Palette. It's supposed to be light and ethereal and very beautiful. I love the shades on here. I'm excited to play around with the other shimmers that are in the palette. I want to know your thoughts. Did you pick it up? Did you pass on it? Cosmic Brushes is out of the UK. And their palettes are fairly affordable. Beautiful indie brand. They have some amazing releases. I'm looking forward to seeing what they're putting out in 2026. Just like a bunch of the other indie brands that I follow, I'm excited for the releases. I've been playing around with more indie than mainstream lately, just because I feel like their shimmers and their color stories are different than some of the palettes that are being released right now in Sephora and Ulta. But that's just my opinion. I know that I have quite a few of you that also love indie brands, so I want to know your opinions. Are you picking this up? Are you passing on it? What are you looking forward to seeing this year? Now, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.